Alright everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how to add uh, your website in Google Webmaster or Google Search Console, and in similar way you will find the Search Console or Webmaster for all other search engines, for example Yahoo, Yandex and Bing, Baidu, right? If you search for Yahoo Webmaster, okay, or Yahoo Search Console, submit your website. All right, submit your website via Bing Webmaster tool. Yahoo is unable to provide any status update or associate, or maybe the thing is has changed because mostly people use Google. So let's see how to do that. Search for the Google Search Console. Click this first link, search.google.com. Then click on the Start Now. And here I'm just going to submit a test domain. So click on that, add property. All right. So for example, I'm going to add, okay, there are two options. The first thing is all URLs across all domains, all subdomains, all URLs across HTTPS and HTTP require DNS verification. So this needs DNS verification, while this only needs you to put a tag. Okay, and it says that only URL under the uh, entered URL. For example, if I enter https colon slash slash www.abc.com, okay, enter the full URL. Okay, it was wrong. All right, so click on continue, just attach domain, verifying property. Now what you need to do is uh, copying the HTML tag. There are few different ways where you can verify the ownership of your website, but the simplest method is to copy this meta tag and ask your developer, and they will put that in the head section. All right, after that you will click on the verify and done, and your property is added. Now after maybe 2 or 3 days, Google will crawl your website and you will be notified. So from that time, all of your images in your website will be crawled and show up in the search console. For example, if I search Blazed or digital marketing agency in Faisalabad, that's my city name, and click on image. All right. Maybe not yet. By the way, this is an Indian, no, sorry, Pakistani. It's also a Pakistani digital marketing agency. In Faisalabad. If I simply search Blazed Web, so this is my agency logo. Okay, also this one. All right, and by the way, as you can see, uh, some images are also crawled from Facebook. These are all from Facebook. So that's it. This is the simple way. If you have any question, let me know.